6 ways to get rid of your worries. Today we are going to discuss 6 ways that you can use to get rid of your worries in whatever you do. From the book The Time Management. First, don't resist fear, because if you resist it, it won't go anywhere. It will be in you, where it will fester and glow. It will return stronger than ever to attack you when you are most vulnerable. Face your fear. As you stop feeling the fear, it may begin to subside. Second, name it as you claim it. Sometimes fear comes disguised as the formless, furious, vague dread or anxiety that can shake you out of second sleep and leave you wide awake until daybreak. But if you give it a name, things must change. Let the worry down as specifically as you can. Now you can begin to deal with it effectively. Third, push the worry to the max. They won't just laugh at you. The laughter will turn to jeers. They will start throwing things at you. They will chase you from the room out of the building. You will lose your job, your sponsor will leave you, and you will wind up at the homeless shelter. No way, that is not really going to happen. Now, stop worrying, which accomplishes nothing, and prepare fully for what you've prepared. Fourth, follow through. If you've decided to do an immediate action, do it. If you are going to do and when you are going to do it, be specific, date, time, and place, then be sure to keep that appointment. Otherwise, you will soon learn to disregard anything you write down to do later. If you've decided to do nothing, just let it go. Fifth, abide by your decision. Make each decision once. If you decided to eat cheeseburger, enjoy it. If you decided on the salad, dive in. If you decided not to eat at all, do it. Whatever you do, do it wholeheartedly. Resist second guessing yourself. Just because you've decided on the future action or no action doesn't mean your worry will go away. It will return one day. And if it returns, reminding yourself, I have already decided that. Do this as many times as necessary. The last way is to act in spite of your fear. Don't wait for the fear to leave you before you act. It doesn't work that way. Courage is not lack of fear. Courage is action despite fear. Don't pretend to yourself that you are not afraid. Let yourself experience your fear fully, then rechannel that fear into energy and alertness. You will begin in fear, but soon and gentle calmness will replace that fear. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification button to get notification whenever I upload a new video. See you in the next video. Bye.